Signatures are a great way to show professionalism, but also give you a chance to direct people to your website or your social media pages. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add email signatures in Gmail. It's very easy. Hey there, Vince Comfort here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add an email signature in Gmail that you will still use with your webmail emails that are connected to your Gmail. If you'd like to know how to connect your webmail to your Gmail to access all your emails from one place, please watch this video to set it up. Now let's get back to what this video is about. We're going to add an email signature. Now log into your Gmail account. And once you're logged in, come to the settings icon right here, click on it, and then come to settings, all settings, see all settings, all right? So we have all these options, but just under general, come down, scroll until you locate signature, all right? So we're going to create new signature. Let's give it, let's say, VC Gmail. Let's just give it a name. All right, so let's say wanted to add in a logo or a photo of yourself. All you have to do is come down here. We have insert image, click on it. All right, now I already have this logo uploaded, but if you do not have an image already uploaded, you can come to upload, just drag and drop it, just something like that, then it will upload. Great. Now you have your image there. Let's say we're doing Vince Comfort. Oops. Vince Comfort, digital marketer. And then let's say we want to add our website and maybe Facebook. We can leave that and say Twitter. All right. So website, you're going to pick this, just paste it there. And you have these formatting options here. You can select, make it bold, select, make it italic. And then Facebook, let's say you want to link this to your Facebook page. Just pick my link here. Copy, all you have to do is select it and click on link. Then add your link here, your Facebook link, and then click on OK. That's that. Okay, so you can do the same for Twitter. Just select the text, come down to link, the link icon, get that option. You get your Twitter link, paste it there. That's Control V, and then click on OK. All right. So there you have, and I think you can still do the same for this. Just copy it and link it. It's the automatic, so that's fine. So basically that's that. Okay, that's how simple it is. But now let's assume you wanted the image or the logo to be on the left hand side and you have this text on the right hand side. All right, so let's go ahead and create a new one. And let's just call it VC rectangle. Create it. Now we still have the VC mail there. So let's edit this. The problem here is that Gmail doesn't give you the option to have columns inside here. All right. So what we're going to do is to create it using Google Sheets. All you have to do is come to the Google Apps and then locate Sheets. All right, when you click on it, it should bring you to this page. And then just start a blank one. All right, so let's just come here and insert an image here. We go to insert. Let's insert our logo. Insert image. Insert an image in the cell. Okay, pick our email here. We're going to drag and drop it. Great, but it's small, so oops. Let's just expand it. Okay, let's center it. So center it here. Now for the text, I think we need more space. So we're going to create more space. Just right. So let's say the name is Vince Comfort. Want this to align horizontally well with the image, so we'll just come here to align and put it in the middle. Great. So basically, this is what we're going to take from here. Now, there's one problem. If we just copy this, let's copy that, and bring it to Gmail, it's going to come with those border lines, which don't really look nice. So what we're going to do is remove those border lines. We're going to do that by, so we'll go ahead and just select all the cells around it, and then come to borders. Make sure you change this color to white, and then click on all borders. Okay, so everything is now white. You can now come and select this, copy that. Let's take it to settings. Let's remove this. Let's paste. Now we have it there. Now, as you can see, the image is not really nice. We're going to remove that image. Okay, then can insert in our image. Just put this. Okay, that's very big. Let's make it small. Now we can add here web designer. We can add the website, the Facebook, just like we did previously. Okay, so I think I don't need to go through that again, how to link this up. But I wanted to show you, instead of using text, you can actually put icons, let's say Facebook social media icons. So to get the icons, just go to Google and search for social media icons for email signature, and look for where you have exclaimer. The reason why I like exclaimer is because they give you those social media icons in different sizes, and also they come in two shapes. You have one with sharp corners, and then with curved corners, so it gives you more options. So let's choose 16 by 16 will be really small. 32 by 32 looks too big. I think 24 by 24 is perfect. So let's say we choose this. So we just basically right click on it and then copy image address. All right. So we're going to come down here, go to the next line and add an image. Now, instead of uploading, drag and drop, we're going to use the web address. Okay, paste an image URL here. So just go ahead and paste what we copied. And there it is. Yeah, select that. Now it's there. Okay, so let's do the same for the space there. Let's do the same for Twitter. Okay, Twitter is here. Copy image address. Insert image. Use web address. Paste it in there. And then select. Boom, there you have. So after that, all you have to do is select the image and then again link. and then put in your Facebook page link. Click OK. That's done. Do the same for Instagram. Click on link. Paste in your Twitter account. And then click OK. All right. So basically that's that. Let's just remove this. And then you could still go ahead and make it bold, or you can change the colors. Text color, you can change it to blue. So you can play with it and just make it to look the way you want. And then once all that is done, so remember we have two email addresses connected to this, okay? So yours might have more, but in a scenario where we want different signatures to go under different email addresses, let's say Gmail, we're going to use this. We're going to leave that. Let's just use the same here. And then for the VC rectangle, we're going to use it for the webmail, name@vincecamper.com. And then, yes, we use that for name. And then we come down here and save once again. Now when we come here to compose, boom. Now under name@vincecamper.com, you have this signature showing up. And if you changed the sender to VC test mail, and then you have the other option show up. Okay, so basically that's that. And also, as you can see, you can be able to connect your webmail to Gmail so that you can directly send emails using your custom business email from within your Gmail account. If you want to learn that, the link is in the description below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you do, drop me a comment below. And you can help me out by hitting the like button. It helps to show the video to more people who might find it useful. And I'm working on more of these kind of videos. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you in the